Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video I am going to explain the automatic room heater or space heater or automatic room blower. And this is an automatic room heater. It has a screen, and when it is in off state it reads the room temperature, and there are different buttons, switches, keypads for controlling the heater. This button is for swinging, and this word H is for horse, setting the horse, and M is for setting the minutes for the timer of the heater, for how much time you want to operate the heater. And this plus minus sign is for setting the room temperature, and plus switches to increase the temperature, minus to decrease temperature, and mode on off is to change the mode from 1000 watt to 2000 mode, and you can turn on and off the heater. When the heater is in off state, it just reads the room temperature. And the heater has different parts. From the front side, it pushes the hot air forward. As you can see, inside the heater there is a fan and is a coil heating element which heats, and when cold air passes through this heater it becomes hot, and from front side it push the air forward, and from the back side it suck the air inside. So this heater is also called room blower, and it heats the room hot. It heats the rooms by convectional method, by convections, by heat convection. It heats the room. So it can also be, you can control the temperature and the timer of the heater by using a remote, infrared remote. You can change the heater. So let's start the heater from the switch. Now it becomes on state. Now it is now operating in 1000 mode, and the set temperature is 25 degree. Now the room temperature is about 33 degree and timer is 00. You can adjust the timer and the temperature. For example, now the room temperature is, set temperature is 25 degrees centigrade. You can change the temperature by this switch here. Yeah, from here. Twenty-six, 27, 28. Now the set temperature is 28 and the room temperature is 26. Now the heater is producing a heat from front side. When the room temperature becomes equal to 28 degree, the heater becomes automatically turned off. And you can also change the mode of the heater. Now it is operating in 1000 mode. You can change its mode to 2000 watt in this way. Now it is operating at 2000 watt, and the room heat is the air is quite hot, but the heating element is not red, and because it heats the room by conventional method, and the air passing through the coil does not allow the coil to become so hot, red hot. And this switch is for swinging option here, and the remote control, you can see the switch option for swinging the heater. Now the heater is swinging. It is now operating in 2000 watt. but the heating element is in the cold condition, it does not becomes hot. So it is very safe for the room, and it is automatic room heater, automatically turns on and off. We can also adjust the timer for the heater. For example, let's adjust timer for 1 minute. So here to press for the minute, the hour, this is the hour button, and this is the button is for minutes. That we have adjusted timer for 1 minute. After completing the 1 minute, it becomes automatically turned off. Now we can see the heater become automatically off. LCD becomes off as well as the heater becomes off, but the fan is still moving, still operating, but the hair is in normal state. The hair is not hot. The LCD and the switch becomes off and the heater becomes off, but the fan is still moving in order to cool the heater. So it is an automatic room heater, very best for room in the winter season. Now as you can see fan also becomes off. It still is the room temperatures, and you can see still fan is going to become still. The fans becomes off. So it is an automatic room heater for heating the room. So thank you for watching our video.